Hey everybody, this is the Creation Chemist. Just wanted to tell about an event that just happened with the camera. I have a GoPro White, and this happened one other time where the screen locked up like this. As you can see here, the red light is blinking. It says it's recording. Last time this happened, I had to let the battery drain out. Once it was drained out, the initial video that I had was unaffected, and I did get the video, but problem was I wanted to shoot more videos after this and I was unable to do so because of the camera being locked up like this. One thing you can definitely do is wait for the battery to drain itself down. But this is the second time this has happened, so I'm wondering if there's another solution. My GoPro is locked up, so I'm going to try to plug it in to a computer and see if that does anything. Doesn't do anything. Now if I hold this button down, it takes the picture. Now it still doesn't do anything. It's locked up there. What if I hold both buttons down, power and, well, what if I hold power down? Nope, nothing happens. 5, both of them. Now that reset, that did actually work. I had to hold that in for a good 9 seconds though. Alright, so that might be one way to unlock the GoPro when it locks up.